my lovelies, happy Monday. Welcome to another crafting week. These weeks are going, aren't they? Thought I'd just do a quick Easy Makes Monday. I started with some scraps, some long scraps that I'd cut off some papers I'd printed out, and so I had a little play. Let me show you one I haven't done anything with. So there were A4 sheets, and I cut them in half, and I thought I'd make some little folded pockets. So we'll quickly do a few of those. Different papers I got left over. This was some lace that David had scanned. So what, doesn't matter what size you use really. This is half of an A4, so obviously European size, but US letter size will just give you slightly different. Just 11 3/4. So what I've done is I've snipped there, so we're going to just seal that pocket up. There we go. Now you could either have it this way. I've rounded the corners, so you could stick it on the page like that, and you could open it that way, or on some of them you can put it sideways and open it. But I thought on here I'm going to use it as a top loader. So I've got a few bits and bobs of ephemera and tickets and things, and I thought, we don't want anything too massive, do we? We just want something that's one of Rachel's labels. And then what I want to do at the top is, I'm wondering whether this would we could put another pocket there. So this is something that I'd already cut out to make a pocket. It's in my scrap pile, so that could go in there. And it's something that you could do as a mass making, like you know, shabby dabby doo dah, Tina. Mass making. What I've done is I've got all of them cut in half, and I've folded them, put a thumb hole in for your pocket, and rounded the edges. And then now I'm going on to the inner bits, and then we will come to just decorating the edges. This is a bit, I don't like the white that's inside here, but let's have a look at that. I think now I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll decorate it in total and see. But certainly cut your pages first and do your folds, then it's sort of, and you can have quite a few just folded with no decoration on, so that you can, you know, they're all ready to roll, aren't they? When you've got a project, you can just decorate it up according to how you want it to look for that particular theme. So I like that on there. And on here, I don't like that white top, do you know? I don't know. Let's see if this will fit in nicely. So I've just got a selection of tickets and things out. Some are Tracy's, some are Shabby Dabby Doodahs, and some are Rachel from Roxy Creations. They're the three main labels I have knocking about, but I can't always remember who's who. So I like that there. We don't want it too near there. Right, what could we put on the front? Now, I had got this out. Does that go nice on there or not? Let's have a look at this. These are some of Tina's Victorian collection. No, I'm going to use that one. Whoops. Okay then, let's put that on. And then we could put a little ticket or something in as well. So you can really alter these, you know, put as many pockets as you like on there. We'll do one that like that, and we will find a little, see if I've got any of these. This is just where I keep all my bits and bobs of tickets. There's flowers in there, they're pretty. I think we'll use that. I'm just going to ink it up. I'm going through one of my fancying inking phases, which is, you know, I don't often ink, but I just, now and again, I just think, yeah, just finishes it off. Especially if you're using tickets, gets rid of that little white edge. And we will put that in there now. We've got our pocket there, we've got a pocket there. Now this looks a bit too plain. What? Let's have a look at this. Yeah, I think that'll just finish it off. I'm not going to make that as a pocket though. I'm just going to stick that on for decoration. Because, you know, if you were putting something in and something this small, it'd be really incy wincy, teeny tiny. Okay, so that's one. Let's just do one more. Shall we try this lovely lace one? I think this one we will put this on its side. So we're just going to glue the two sides of the pocket. You don't need to do the bottom because your fold will act as the bottom. And I'm just going to ink this up. Now if you don't like having the white middle, you know, you can always double side it so you have got more pattern. You can decide as and when you're doing it for a project whether you do that. That's it. Okay, what we got that we could put in here? That's nice. Okay. So these are just ephemera pieces that I have in a little tray just in case I need them. Now, I thought that we might do a little belly band. Have we got anything here? Oh, we have. That's nice. That's from one of chapter 1 papers. We'll make a belly band, I think. We don't need that stalk, do we? Just to ring the changes. So I usually just do a double layer of glue for my belly bands because you've got things you're putting in and out on, you know, more frequently, so you really need it to be substantial. So I just do a double layer of glue there. And let's see what we have. That go in it. No, too big. That goes in. Oh yes, where's she going? I like it. No, under these. What I'm using is fired earth. So this is take no notice that the lid says something else. This is Fired Earth Red, which I do like. Especially because, you know, if you've got a lot of pastels, you don't always want it to look vintagey, but, you know, just nicely edged. Nicely edged, which is, yeah, I haven't done any ink into things for ages, have I? Just rounded the edges of that, just to give it a bit, right. What can we decorate this front with? We could actually, I'm just wondering if I got a bit more from chapter 1. I could put another belly band on there. Yes, we'll do that. So you've got a pocket there and then a little belly band on the front. Go there. So I'll link the Shabby Dabby Doo, our Roxy Creations, Tracy Fox Creative and chapter 1 papers. It's a mishmash of their lovely things. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. I think with these, they're a good way of using up bits and bobs of ephemera you've got left over from other projects. And they're just, you know, a nice, like a little ephemera holder. That goes there, that goes there. Like that. Do we need something on the front? Perhaps more of a label. We've got, not sure. Let me just have a look. What do I want to bow? Oh, I quite like that, surprisingly. Okay. Stick that on. And then we'll get our bow. These bows are definitely Tina's. You can see the styling with the frills and bows. I never thought I'd like them because I'm not generally a shabby chic maker. I love them. I love them. I've really, I've used them in a lot of things now. Right then. Just fit that on there. Right, love it. Okay then, I've got a few more here, but I'll carry on decorating those because I've given you 2 examples now. So we have this one, which opens, we were going to do this on its side, and I changed my mind, didn't I? So they're both front loaders, top loaders. Doesn't matter, does it really? So little pocket there with a ticket in. Then we open it up. There's a pocket there, and there's a pocket there. Now you can stick that down on a page along 3 sides. So then you have a pocket at the back. Or you can actually just slip it inside a side tuck. This one, just a bit of decoration on there. We've got a belly band there with 2 little tickets in. Belly band there. And then here we have got all lovely little journaling spots just for a few little extra notes. Okay then, so there's a quick one for Easy Mix Monday, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.